powerful. You is an Alice cage. Well, it's an Alice cage. Yes, so is this. The Bible is Alice. My soul wishes. I'm Pamela Savage. I'm Matthew, my beautiful Batman. I will yield myself to the evil the darkness. I shall sway you done. Wherever you demon into the darkness, my sword, my feature, you are my power, and you wish. Seem well, Batman. You are the future darkness. You are the darkness. You might get the future. I will now restore you power. Are you the power beautiful? Now it is for you.
Okay.
You're done.
All right.